Engaging in individual sports such as golf and tennis demands more than just technique. It requires a solid foundation of fitness to enhance performance. The first step for athletes is to focus on flexibility. Incorporating dynamic stretching into your warm-up routine prepares your muscles for the physical demands ahead. For golfers, torso twists can improve swing power, while tennis players benefit from shoulder stretches to increase racket control. Flexibility not only aids performance, but also reduces the risk of injuries, ensuring you stay on the course or court longer. Strength training is another critical element for success in individual sports. Targeting specific muscle groups helps develop the strength necessary to execute powerful swings or serves. Golfers should focus on their core, as a strong midsection stabilizes and generates power during swings. Meanwhile, tennis players should emphasize their legs, building explosive strength to sprint across the court. Using resistance bands, weights, or body weight exercises can effectively build the needed strength without compromising mobility. Cardiovascular fitness plays a vital role in maintaining endurance throughout matches or rounds. Both golfers and tennis players engage in bouts of intense activity, followed by brief rest periods. Incorporating interval training into your fitness regimen can mirror this pattern, enhancing your ability to recover quickly between points or swings. Activities like running, cycling, or swimming can significantly improve your cardiovascular health, allowing you to maintain your performance level during extended play sessions. Incorporating sport-specific drills into your fitness routine is essential for honing skills, while building endurance and strength. For golfers, practicing swing drills with weighted clubs can improve swing mechanics and power. Tennis players can benefit from agility ladder drills, enhancing footwork for quick lateral movements during matches. These drills not only improve athletic performance, but also contribute to a more enjoyable experience as you become more proficient in your sport. Finally, don't underestimate the importance of nutrition and hydration. Proper fuel helps your body recover and perform at its best. Eating a balanced diet rich in lean proteins, whole grains, and fruits can provide the necessary energy to power through your training sessions. Staying hydrated before, during, and after practice or play helps maintain focus and performance level, essential for success in individual sports. Fitness plays a crucial role in enhancing performance for golfers, tennis players, and athletes engaged in individual sports. Understanding the unique physical demands of these activities allows athletes to tailor their fitness regimes effectively. Strength, agility, flexibility, and endurance are the pillars that support optimal performance, and focusing on these areas can lead to significant improvements on the field. To begin, golfers benefit greatly from core strength, as it provides stability and control during swings. Incorporating exercises like planks, Russian twists, and medicine ball rotations into your routine will help build the muscles that support your golf game. Alongside strength training, flexibility workouts, including yoga or dynamic stretching, are vital for maintaining a full range of motion and preventing injury as you navigate the course. Tennis players require a combination of agility and explosive strength. Implementing plyometric exercises such as box jumps or lateral bounds can enhance quick footwork, essential for reaching those challenging shots. Additionally, agility drills with cones or ladders can sharpen reaction times. Don't forget to balance this power with endurance training. Long-distance running or interval training can build the stamina needed to endure a match that may last several hours. For both golfers and tennis players, maintaining proper posture and balance is also critical. Exercises that focus on balance, like single-leg stands or stability ball workouts, can translate into better control during movements. This greater balance leads to improved shot accuracy and consistency on both the course and court. Moreover, nutrition plays a fundamental role in fitness and performance. Athletes should fuel their bodies with a balanced diet rich in lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Staying hydrated is equally important. Dehydration can lead to fatigue and diminished performance during a match or round. Lastly, recovery should not be overlooked. Incorporating rest days and recovery activities like foam rolling or massage can aid in muscle repair and growth. This not only prepares the body for future performances, but also helps prevent burnout and injury. By focusing on these fitness tips, golfers, tennis players, and athletes in individual sports can unlock their full potential. A dedicated approach to fitness will lead to improved performance, enhanced enjoyment of the sport, and ultimately, greater achievement on the playing field. Engaging in individual sports like golf and tennis requires not only skill, but also a solid foundation of fitness. The importance of physical conditioning cannot be overstated. When your body is fit, you can enhance your performance, reduce the risk of injury, and enjoy your game more. Therefore, the first step towards improving your fitness for these sports is to create a well-rounded workout routine that incorporates strength, flexibility, and endurance training. Strength training is vital for golfers and tennis players alike. It helps build the muscles responsible for powerful swings and quick movements on the court or course. Focus on exercises that enhance core stability, such as planks or medicine ball rotations, as they play a crucial role in maintaining balance during swings. Additionally, target the legs with squats and lunges, which provide the explosive power needed for those sudden, agile movements, especially during intense rallies or drives. Flexibility is another key component. Golfers benefit greatly from enhanced flexibility, which allows for a fuller, more effective swing. Incorporate dynamic stretching exercises such as leg swings and arm circles into your warm-ups, and follow them up with static stretching post-workout. Incorporating yoga can also significantly improve overall flexibility and mental focus, helping you to remain calm and collected under pressure during a game. Endurance training is essential as well, especially for tennis players who may spend long hours on the court. Cardiovascular exercises like running, cycling, or swimming can significantly boost your endurance levels. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity each week. Interval training, which combines high-intensity bursts of activity with rest periods, can also prepare you for the unpredictable nature of your sport, improving your stamina and agility. In addition to physical training, it is crucial to address nutrition and hydration. A balanced diet rich in lean proteins, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables fuels your body for optimal performance. Stay hydrated before, during, and after your games to maintain peak performance levels and aid recovery. Finally, listen to your body and allow for ample rest and recovery. Overtraining can lead to injuries and setbacks. By integrating strength training, flexibility, endurance exercises, and proper nutrition into your routine, you set yourself up for success in golf, tennis, and other individual sports. Elevate your fitness game and watch your performance soar as you embrace your sporting passion. For athletes engaged in individual sports like golf and tennis, maintaining peak physical condition is crucial. These sports require a unique blend of strength, flexibility, and endurance to perform consistently well. To begin, it's essential to establish a fitness routine that incorporates all these essential elements. A well-rounded program can enhance your performance on the course or the court, helping you to excel and stay injury-free. Strength training is a foundational component of fitness for individual sports. Focusing on the core muscles will provide the stability needed during your swings and movements. Incorporate exercises like planks, squats, and lunges into your workouts. These exercises not only build power, but also improve balance and coordination, which are vital for a golfer's swing or a tennis player's serve. Flexibility and mobility cannot be overlooked either. Golfers and tennis players require a full range of motion to perform their shots effectively. Stretching routines targeting the hips, shoulders, and wrists can enhance flexibility. Consider incorporating yoga or dynamic stretching into your regimen. This helps improve your flexibility and reduces the risk of injury, allowing for a smoother swing and better reach on the course. Cardiovascular fitness also plays a significant role in individual sports. Engaging in activities like running, cycling, or swimming can improve your endurance, allowing you to maintain high performance throughout a match or game. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity per week. This level of fitness helps prevent fatigue and ensures you stay sharp and responsive in critical moments. Nutrition is another vital aspect to consider. Fueling your body with the right nutrients can significantly affect your performance. A balanced diet rich in lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats can help sustain energy levels. Hydration is equally important. Ensure you're drinking enough water before, during, and after your training or matches to keep your body functioning optimally. Lastly, mental toughness is essential in individual sports, where solo performance can be pressure-filled. Incorporating mindfulness and mental training can enhance focus and resilience. Techniques such as visualization and breathing exercises can help you maintain composure during tense moments, contributing to an overall competitive edge. By integrating these fitness tips into your routine, you can maximize your performance and enjoy the benefits of individual sports.